It's been an integral part of your travel experience since the dawn of automobile age. Now, without it, your journey would be bumpy, hazardous, and far less comfortable. Can you guess what it is? Think about it. Without it, your car wouldn't move. It's something that touches every aspect of your journey. You depend on it for every mile, yet you might not give it a second thought. Well, if you've guessed tires, you're right. The humble tire is the unsung hero of your journey, working tirelessly to ensure every trip is smooth, safe, and enjoyable. And while we all know tires are essential, have you ever pondered over the sheer brilliance that goes into crafting these seemingly simple components? Have you ever marveled at how your car stays upright, moves forward, or stops safely on command? All thanks to these black rubber circles that make contact with the ground. Today, we want to take a moment to celebrate the tire, explore its remarkable journey through history, understand the magic that goes into making it, and recognize its crucial role in your journey. Ready to roll down memory lane with us? Let's embark on this exciting ride. The concept of tires dates back to ancient times. Initially as solid wooden wheels attached to Egyptian chariots and around 3500 BC, but the modern tire as we know it traces its roots to the late 19th century. Two pivotal patents in 1888, John Boyd Dunlop's pneumatic truck tire and Thomas Hancock's detachable pneumatic tire, laid the foundation for the rubber revolution. These inventions marked a shift from solid tires, improving ride comfort and reducing the jolting impact of rough roads. By the early 20th century, tires became standard equipment on automobiles, enhancing safety and handling. Throughout the decades, continuous improvements in materials and manufacturing processes have led to the advanced tire technology of today. Innovations such as radial tires, run-flat tires, and intelligent tire pressure monitoring systems have further enhanced performance, safety, and driving experiences. Let us dive into the captivating realm of tire construction and discover the intricate engineering that goes into creating these indispensable components. At first glance, tires might seem like simple rubber wheels, but upon closer inspection, they reveal a fascinating world of layers, compounds, and craftsmanship. Picture this: each tire is a harmonious blend of art and science, where precision and durability unite to ensure a seamless journey. Allow us to unveil the hidden layers of a tire and illustrate the meticulous process behind its creation. A tire's journey begins with a meticulously crafted steel frame known as the carcass. This robust skeleton provides the tire's foundational support and strength. Around the carcass, multiple layers of nylon or polyester cord are strategically wrapped, forming a sturdy foundation that enhances the tire's overall stability and load-bearing capacity. This layering process, known as the bell package, not only reinforces the tire, but also contributes to its flexibility and durability. Next comes the tread, the tire's interface with the road. Here, a carefully designed pattern of grooves and sipes comes to life. This tread pattern is not merely aesthetic, but serves a multitude of purposes. The grooves channel away water and slush, enhancing traction on wet roads, while the sipes, those tiny slits in the tread blocks, increase the tire's grip on icy surfaces. The tread is also engineered to optimize rolling resistance, balancing ride comfort with fuel efficiency. But the magic doesn't end there. Beneath the tread lies a secret weapon against punctures. The tire's underlayer, often referred to as the green guard layer, typically made of nylon fabric. This shield safeguards the inner structure of the tire from external damage. With the underlayer in place, the tire takes shape. The tire is then subjected to rigorous quality control checks, ensuring that each component meets the highest standards of excellence. Once cleared, the tire moves on to the final stage of construction, where it's paired with an inner tube or a tubeless liner, depending on the type of tire being manufactured. The inner tube, if used, is installed within the tire's protective underlayer, creating a seamless seal. Finally, the tire is mounted onto the wheel rim, ready to hit the roads. The entire process is a testament to human ingenuity and precision, where each step is crucial in creating a product that seamlessly supports our journey. Tires are not mere automotive components. They're sophisticated engineering marvels designed to elevate your driving experience. When you're behind the wheel, your tires are silently orchestrating a symphony of motion, ensuring every journey is as smooth as possible. But how exactly do they manage this feat? Let us take a moment to understand the fascinating science and design elements that make tires the unsung heroes of your journey. One of the most notable features of tires is their ability to absorb shocks and bumps effortlessly. This transformative quality is attributed to the unique composition of the tire's rubber compound. Crafted from a harmonious blend of natural and synthetic rubbers, the tire's core remains resilient, even in the face of the toughest terrain. Moreover, the internal structure of the tire plays a pivotal role in this process. The tire's internal architecture, featuring multiple layers of steel belts reinforced with nylon, further enhances its shock absorption capabilities. These layers act as a shield, safeguarding the tire's integrity and ensuring a smooth ride. But the magic doesn't end there. Tires are also designed to maintain their structural integrity, even when faced with sharp impacts. The steel belts embedded within the tire structure come to the rescue in such scenarios. acting as a strong and durable shield. These belts protect the tire from sudden punctures and tears, providing drivers with peace of mind. And when it comes to maneuvering through corners, tires don't disappoint. Their unique construction allows them to withstand lateral forces, keeping your vehicle firmly on course. The friction generated between the tire's tread and the road surface provides the necessary grip to navigate curves with confidence, making every journey a thrilling adventure. In addition to their robustness, tires are also engineered for maximum efficiency. Manufacturers meticulously design the tread pattern to minimize roll-in resistance, ensuring that your vehicle glides effortlessly over the pavement. This focus on efficiency translates to improved fuel economy, allowing you to travel further without frequent pit stops. Furthermore, modern tires are equipped with advanced compounds that adapt to varying road temperatures. This adaptability ensures optimal traction in both hot and cold weather conditions, making your journey safer and more enjoyable regardless of the climate. And let's not forget about the pivotal role tires play in your vehicle's aesthetics. Tire manufacturers offer a wide range of styles and designs that complement the overall look of your vehicle. Whether you prefer a bold and sporty vibe or a sleek and sophisticated charm, tires play a significant role in achieving the desired aesthetic appeal. Understanding the science behind tire technology allows us to appreciate the intricate engineering and craftsmanship that go into making these everyday essentials. From their ability to absorb shocks to their fuel-saving tread patterns, tires are the unsung heroes of our journeys, ensuring a smooth and efficient ride. When it comes to tires, safety is paramount. Whether you're cruising on the open highway or navigating city streets, your tires are your primary point of contact with the road. Therefore, it's crucial to prioritize tire safety to ensure a secure journey for you and your loved ones. So here are some proactive measures you can take to ensure your tires remain reliable companions on every trip. Regularly inspect your tires for any signs of wear and tear. Look out for uneven tread wear, cracks, bulges, or any abnormalities that may compromise the tire's structural integrity. Remember, addressing issues promptly can prevent minor problems from escalating into major safety hazards. To maintain optimal tire performance, it's essential to keep them inflated to the recommended pressure. Check your tire pressure monthly and adjust it as needed. Properly inflated tires not only enhance fuel efficiency, but also prolong tire life and provide a smoother ride. To help you maintain the correct tire pressure, many vehicles are equipped with tire pressure monitoring systems, TPMS, which alert you when there's a significant change in pressure. Don't overlook the significance of tread depth. The tread on your tires is designed to channel away water and provide traction on wet roads. As the tread depth decreases, your vehicle's stopping distance increases, compromising your safety, particularly in rainy or snowy conditions. Check the tread depth using a tread depth gauge or the penny test. If the tread depth falls below the manufacturer's recommended limit, it's time for new tires. Adhering to these tire maintenance practices will not only keep you safe, but also prolong the life of your tires, enhance your vehicle's handling, and provide a smoother, more enjoyable ride. Remember, prioritizing tire safety is an investment in your journey. By taking proactive steps to care for your tires, you'll enjoy peace of mind knowing that you and your passengers are in good hands, or rather wheels. Safe travels. We've taken you through a roller coaster ride from the ancient origins of tires to the modern marvels of tire technology and the critical role they play in your safety. We hope we've shed some light on the intricate engineering and craftsmanship that goes into every tire, allowing you to appreciate the silent magic that keeps you rolling. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to show your support. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts or tire-related experiences. And with that, we've reached the end of our tire tale. Thanks for joining us. Stay safe and keep exploring the automotive wonders that make our journeys extraordinary. Until next time, happy rolling.